We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at our 2021 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited lineup. So the first bike we have here on the end is in Deadwood Green and Vivid Black. Second one in is Billiard Red with the Vivid Black detailing. Third bike is all Vivid Black from head to toe. And the last one we have on the end is the River Rock Gray Denim and Black Denim. Now all of these bikes are the same except for the color. They all come with that 114 cubic inch engine. Rider and passenger floorboards, locking saddlebags and top case. Top case comes with that extra luggage rack as well. Speakers back there on the passenger seat, and speakers up here facing the rider as well. Nice tall windshield. These bikes are perfect for long tours, or even if you just have to commute a little bit of a distance with a lot of equipment. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week. Come check them out.